Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. It's Taco Tuesday, so we're gonna have a Tacoma compilation for you guys to enjoy. Here we just pulled in two Tacomas, a 3rd generation Lunar Rock that you see here and a 4th generation Bronze Oxide. Both are TRD off-road models that are 4x4. Both vehicles are going to be lifted on a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series coilovers and shock setup. The 2023 Tacoma is going with a Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arm with a Deaver out leaf, and the 4th generation is going with some EIBACH rear lift springs and a Camburg Kinetic Series uniball billet upper control arm. And the other Tacoma over there, the magnetic gray metallic one, that one is also a 2023 TRD Sport 4x4 that we installed a KYB off-road suspension setup on. We'll showcase that Tacoma on the next video. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. And if you're not local to us and still want to support us, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to take advantage of our awesome deals, check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and oftentimes pre-adjusted lift kits so you can get the perfect stance for your truck. So the 2024 Bronze Oxide Tacoma is now complete. We've installed the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series coilovers and shocks with DSC EVO for both front and rear on here, with some Camburg Kinetic upper control arms and an EIBACH rear lift spring. All have been installed and a custom alignment has been performed. We're going to bring it out now for a quick test drive. For the wheels and tires on the 2023 Tacoma and Lunar Rock, we went with a set of Method MR305s in double black, 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset were used, with some 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KL2 tires. Here's a clean and simple setup that won't break your bank. This right here is a TRD Sport Tacoma in Barcelona red. We've installed a set of Bilstein 6112s up front with some SBC ball joint upper control arms, Bilstein 5160 rear shocks with our Deaver out leaf, and installed some TRD Pro wheels in a 17x7 plus 4 offset with some 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO3 tires. Custom alignment is being performed now to fine-tune the caster for perfect clearance, and the vehicle is brought out for a quick test drive. Here it is, ready for the customer to pick up. Here's an older 2nd generation Tacoma that's in for a suspension refresh. We're throwing on some Bilstein 6112s on here with 5160 rear shocks, SPC upper control arms, and a Deaver out leaf. And as you can see, we work on a ton of Tacomas here. We have a bunch of parts for them in stock and ready to go. We have 2 warehouses on the block, fully stocked with all the parts that you want and need. This white Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 is going with a King suspension setup. It's going to be the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around, with some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and a Deaver out leaf. And swinging over to this 3rd generation Tacoma TRD Pro, this one's also getting a King suspension setup with Camburg arms and a Dakar medium load leaf pack. We're installing a Prinsu cab rack on this Lunar Rock Tacoma that you see on the left right here. We're also doing an S8 40-inch light bar and wiring it up for the customer. Here at 88 Rotors, we stock the full line of Baja design products. All your lighting accessories and needs are in stock and ready to rock. As usual, our tech is going over every nut and bolt that he's touched and is marking them with a white paint pen after double checking to make sure that they have been torqued down properly. Not only does this show our customer that we've done our part in quality control, it serves as a second purpose for when you want to peek down there to make sure that nothing has turned itself out. Although once torqued properly, these nuts and bolts don't usually turn themselves out, it's great to have the peace of mind for yourself to be able to double check yourself, especially after a long day of off-roading with your buddies. I always peek underneath the rig when I'm waiting for my tires to air back up and before I hit the road to go home. This Tacoma 280 Pro King suspension setup is now complete. We're going to bring it out for a quick test drive next. We've already installed the Prinsu cab rack and the 40-inch Baja Design S8 light bar. Our tech is now installing the switch and running the wire into the cabin. Next up, we have this underground gray Tacoma. This is a 4th generation model that's coming in for some new wheels and tires. We're not lifting it or adjusting the suspension in any way, just installing some new 17 by 8.5 RRW RR7H full form wheels in bronze with some 285/70/17 tires. Second gen Bilstein setup is now complete. We're going to bring this one out now for a quick test drive. RR7H wheels with 285/70/17 tires have been installed. We're going to bring this one out now. Want to get a good deal on a set of these RRW RR7H or RR7V wheels? Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4 or $125 off a set of 5. Next one up on the rack is a 3rd generation Tacoma. This one is in for a Bilstein 6112 and 5160 setup. We're running a Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arm up front and some Old Man Emu Dakar EL111R leaf springs. This vehicle came in with a previously installed set of Method MR701 bead grip wheels. This is a 17 by 8.5 wheel with a 0 offset in matte black. This is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thanks as always for your continued support. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another cool video.